guys, so it's Disney Day and we are just about ready to leave the house. I've got all of my stuff packed up. Again, my husband went and pick up my daughter. She's at dance camp, so she's leaving a bit earlier. And just to kind of give you an idea, we are heading over to Detroit and then flying out tomorrow afternoon, like early afternoon. I think it's 2 o'clock. Just wanted to make sure that we don't come too late, so we decided to leave the night before and spend the night. I think it was like $20 difference between a hotel room with park and fly and actual parking. So I'm super excited. Can't wait to be there. And first 2 nights we're staying at Art of Animation, so that's probably next time. I might try and check in at the airport, but I've never been at the Detroit airport, so I'm not sure whether I'm gonna have time or we're gonna be rushing or any of that. But we are planning on grabbing lunch, so I'm sure I'm gonna have time. But in case if I don't, the next time I will check in will be at Art of Animation. Made it. It's the next day now, so we're staying at Baymont Inn and Suites at Romulus in Detroit area. It's just outside of Detroit, Wayne County Airport. So I thought I'd give you a little look at the room. It comes with free breakfast and 8 days of parking, and then we just have to add 2 more days to the parking, and I think cost us $116 with fees and taxes and everything. So let me show you the room. So here's the door, and then you walk in. You have a sink. Sorry, it's a little messy. Like I said, we got in yesterday. And then there's a little closet, and then a washroom. It's got a take some showers and stuff. I did one last night, so the kids just ran down to have breakfast and then they're gonna start getting ready. So there are, I think these are queen beds, but they might be double, I'm not 100% sure. So it's a pretty standard room. It's got the fridge and a microwave, TV, a little desk, and then a full-length mirror. And then over here just has a window, and I think you might be able to, nope, I thought you might be able to open the window. I definitely prefer hotels with balconies, because with 4 of us in a room it feels a little claustrophobic. So anyhow, so this is the room. Yesterday we just ran out to the store to pick up some groceries, and then, well, not really groceries, more like snacks for the hotel. And then we picked up some wine too, and also picked up some vodka to take with us to Disney. That way I don't have to rent a car or anything. And I have groceries being delivered to the resort from the Garden Grocer. I just ordered some drinking water, and I think that's it. Yeah, that's all. So yeah, so we're gonna go up to the airport soon and get in and hopefully get there. So I'll talk to you once I'm in Orlando. getting on the first ride of the trip.
Magic begins now, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together. Let's celebrate. Standing by the door to welcome you when the last guest safely boards. I'll open up the storage space and return your belongings back to you. Now, one quick little side note: if you leave anything behind on the spot of it, after 30 days, you can still claim your items, but you have to do it online. Very fast and easy. The web address is eBay. Bus transportation to the parks begins in the mornings 1 hour before the parks are scheduled.
And we made it. I said we made it.
We made it, that's it.
Taking the smell. Gonna go check in. So the trip's going really well. We got in 40 minutes earlier, and we just got an upgrade. We got a Lion King Suite upgrade, so I'm going to take you there right now. So we are in a building 10. That's the Nemo section. Hello. So that's our building. So once I'm inside, I'll show you. Okay, so we're number 734. So here it is. Oh, our groceries are already here. How awesome is that? So, let me give you a tour. So I know from the videos this is a bed that pulls down. If I have it out, I will show it to you once I if we use it. I don't think we're gonna need to use it because I don't know where the kids are gonna sleep. They haven't decided yet because I literally just told them hi. Whew. So I took the stairs. So here's the washroom. So standard one sink, and here is a toilet, a nice shower curtain, and then a full-size mirror. And then inside, ooh, how cool is that? I haven't stayed at Art of Animation yet, so this is kind of cool. And we've got, do we have toiletries here? No. No toiletries, but they're over here. They're right over here. So you've got the shampoo, conditioner, and a bath soap. And then you also have face wash stuff. So I have used that for my face, but if you have dry face, it hurts your face. So, and then over here is like a family room type of thing, and there's a microwave, coffee maker, a sink, there's a fridge, and then under here is just a garbage can, and there's some paper towels. And then this is pulls out, I know for sure. I thought there was a chair that pulled out too, but I don't see one, so maybe not. And we have the view of the parking lot, which is not bad. And there's some pillows and duvet for the beds. Nice nightstand. See, it explains how you take it apart. So just to give you a view, there's a letter we got. Thank you for being our guest. Oh, cool. And then over here is like a master bedroom, or a bedroom, separate bedroom. It has a queen bed. I love the theming in this room. It is so cute. Like, look at even these lamps, how cute they look. So another view just off the parking lot again, so it's the same view. TV, there's a dresser. Oh, and another washroom right over here. Oh, that's for that. What is that? Here. So this one just has a shower, which is fine. We don't need a tub. Another sink with all the toiletries. There's a hair dryer. And there. And a nice door, shower door, which I like. So, and that's it. So like I said, this is an upgrade. I was expecting to stay at Little Mermaid's room, but this is great. This is, I don't think I would stay otherwise because we don't need all that extra space. Like, my kids are big and double beds are a little bit of a challenge, but it's not bad at all. So I'm gonna go tell my family they can come in because I told them I wanted to do a tour before we make a mess. So yeah, so I'll check in. I'm not sure what we're doing. We might go swimming, we might go to Disney Springs, not sure, but first things first, we're gonna go get some dinner.